Classic hamburger recipe. For the preparation we need 500 grams of beef, 50 grams of oil, and better fat, a teaspoon of salt, the spices you prefer, 4 slices of fresh tomato, 4 circles of pickled cucumber, red onion rings to taste, half a cup of homemade mayonnaise, a tablespoon of Heinz ketchup and mustard, 4 brioche buns, droplet of Worcestershire sauce. To get started is to prepare the sauce. It is best to do this with a blender, mixing mayonnaise with ketchup, mustard, Worcestershire sauce, apple cider vinegar and ground pepper. Cut meat and lard, add salt and seasonings to them. Scroll all together through a meat grinder. Do not need minced hands. We put a bowl covered with foil with minced meat for an hour in the refrigerator. Pour the vegetable oil on the heated pan, wait until the smoke goes. It is advisable to use the hood. We take about 150 grams of minced meat, make a cutlet out of it, fry on both sides for 5 minutes to make it brown. After readiness, lay out a patty. A loaf must also be pre-cooked before you put a cutlet in it. Cut the brioche in 2 pieces and fry them in a skillet until a light crust forms. After that, you can collect a burger, first a leaf of lettuce, then a sauce, after which a chop with cheese, which we cover with tomato, onion, and pickled cucumber. Cover the second half of the bun and enjoy.